We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the generic Neon Lights LED desk lamp, also known as the Neon Lamp Romantic Neon Light. This product is designed to serve as a versatile decorative light for various settings such as bedrooms, bathrooms, parties, and photography props. It is USB-powered, energy efficient, and designed to add a cool, vibrant touch to your room or event space. Starting with the design and build, the lamp features a white plastic body with neon-style LED lighting that emits a smooth, colorful glow. Users appreciate the lamp's aesthetic appeal, noting that it adds a modern, trendy vibe to any room. The neon effect is achieved through LED technology, which offers several advantages over traditional glass neon lights. LED neon lights consume less power, emit minimal heat, and have a longer lifespan, often lasting up to 100,000 hours. This makes the lamp both eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. The USB power design adds to its versatility, allowing it to be powered by various sources such as power banks, laptops, or USB adapters, making it portable and easy to install in different locations. In terms of usability, many users find this lamp ideal for bedroom decoration, especially as a bedside wall lamp. It creates a romantic and cozy atmosphere, which is perfect for intimate settings or relaxing environments. It is also popular for use in celebrations like birthdays, weddings, and bachelor parties, where its vibrant neon glow enhances the festive mood. Photographers and social media enthusiasts enjoy using it as a prop to create memorable and visually striking images. The lamp's soft and evenly diffused light avoids harsh glare, making it suitable for ambient lighting without causing eye strain. Performance-wise, the lamp delivers consistent brightness and color vibrancy. While some LED neon lights may lack the exact intensity of traditional glass neon, this lamp provides a sufficiently bright and attractive glow that satisfies most users' expectations. The light output is smooth and continuous, without visible LED points, which contributes to the authentic neon appearance. The lamp's energy efficiency is a standout feature, as it consumes low power, helping reduce electricity bills and environmental impact. On the downside, the lamp's initial cost might be higher compared to simpler LED desk lamps or strip lights. However, considering its design, durability, and multi-purpose use, many find it worth the investment. Some users mention that the neon effect, while impressive, may not perfectly replicate the classic glass neon charm, but this is a minor trade-off for the added safety and flexibility of LED technology. Another limitation is that the lamp is primarily decorative and does not provide strong task lighting, so it may not replace a dedicated reading or work lamp in a desk setup. The lamp's build quality is generally praised for its durability. The use of plastic and flexible LED tubing ensures it is resistant to breakage, unlike fragile glass neon lights. This makes it suitable for environments where it might be handled frequently or moved around. The lamp's size and lightweight design also make it easy to mount on walls or place on desks without requiring complicated installation. Users who have integrated this lamp into their home decor note that it adds a unique and playful element that can transform a plain room into a stylish space. It is especially favored by younger audiences and those who enjoy trendy, Instagram-worthy room setups. The lamp's ability to function as a nightlight adds practical value, providing gentle illumination during nighttime without disturbing sleep. In summary, the generic Neon Lights LED desk lamp is a versatile, stylish, and energy-efficient lighting solution that enhances room ambiance and serves multiple decorative purposes. It excels as a party light, photography prop, and romantic bedroom accessory. Its USB power design and durable construction make it easy to use and maintain. While it may not replace functional task lighting, it offers a unique aesthetic that many users appreciate. If you own this lamp, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested. Overall, this lamp is a solid choice for anyone looking to add a cool neon touch to their room or event space with the convenience and safety of modern LED technology.